Midnight Edition. Alright guys, recently I did a nighttime trip to the Oshawa GO station. Or maybe I should call this Durham College Oshawa GO since they renamed it last year. This is at mile 302.10 on the Kingston sub. This is my first time going to this GO station as well. I didn't bother filming the GO trains here because I was here for the Fias and CNs. But once in every while, you will see a GO train in the background. For next time when I come back here, I'll be sure to film some GO trains. But I was here for one main reason, getting a really special CN train that you don't see every day. What do you think it is? You'll find out soon enough. Now let's get into some trains, shall we? The first train I caught was an eastbound intermodal train. I have no idea what ID it is. But wherever it is, it was heading to Montreal. It was led by 3269, and for a mid-DPU is newer CREX 2786. And this unknown intermodal train has 154 rail cars. At the same time when this train was approaching, a GO train was pulling into Oshawa as well. The next train I caught is CN M369, going from Montreal to Toronto. It was led by 8925, and trailing second is 2534. And 369 has 137 freight cars.
Your attention please. Via train number 69 from Montreal will now be arriving at 2149.
I really love G4 power nowadays. I know, right? G4 power is really starting to become boring now. Now we get into some via rails. The first one we caught is via P59, going from Ottawa to Toronto. It was led by 6427, and it was pulling for passenger cars by itself.
Your attention please. This is the final boarding call for via train number 9 bound for Toronto on track number 4 and 5. Thank you.
And oh yeah, I forgot to mention that via rails also stop here at this station as well.
Close secured Oshawa, over.
Close secured 59 Oshawa, correct, over?
That is correct, 59, send out.
Thanks, send a note.
Not far behind via 59 Along came via P69, going from Montreal to Toronto. It was led by 911, and at the rear of its train is 6410, and this one also has 4 passenger cars.
Detector, Kingston 305. North, no alarms. Temperature 2C. Total axles 20. Speed 89. 25 north track, no restrictions.
The hotbox detector was going off for via 59. The next train I caught is CN Z120, a high-priority intermodal train going from Brampton to Montreal. It was led by 3049, and trailing second is CREX 3927. And 120 was really long because these 2 units managed to pull 202 rail cars. Yeah, I know. If you're liking this video so far, give it a big thumbs up like that. The last train I caught was definitely the best thing I've seen so far. And this is the reason why I went there to Oshawa GO Station at night. This is CN M305, going from Moncton, New Brunswick to Toronto. And this train came at 1 AM, making this the latest trip that I ever done so far. But this was worth the wait because it was led by 3015, which is a veterans unit. But we are not done with the military stuff yet because, remember last week when I saw 317, I said this. I mentioned that 3015 and 3233 reading on a military train. That would be really cool. Well, it happened because not far away from the locomotive is a lot of military vehicles. There were 31 vehicles loaded onto 21 flatbeds. Like the offer set that came last week, these were also heading to Alberta for some training. These are really cool vehicles for sure. You definitely don't see them every day, especially when you get a veterans unit reading as well. We are not done talking about this train yet because there's a DPU, and that being 3858. And 305 has 128 cars. I've seen 3015 a lot of times, but however this is my first time I've seen it on the Kingston sub. And that concludes my overnight trip to the Oshawa GO station. All in all, this was a really busy spot for sure. I'll be sure to come back here in the future to see what it looks like in the daytime. Until my next Railfanning video, give this a really big thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next Railfanning video. Peace out, folks. Hey, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this Railfanning video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual. See ya, guys!